Morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day. Turlock. I just woke up. As you can tell, I look rough as heck. But it is our son's 5th birthday today. Well, it's his birthday party. His birthday is on the 17th. So, I'm running around trying to find a cake. Guys, I don't know. There was a big old mess up on who was going to order the cake. So, now I'm going to go store to store and see what we can find. Why are there so many people driving around? 8 o'clock. But, I didn't know.
All right.
Yeah.
What,
I'm
honey?
gonna eat right here,
Okay.
and then I'm done.
Is it your birthday party? Yeah.
Are you secretly Batman?
Right here.
Just give
No,
the
mom's
phone-
Batman.
Just give the phone a kiss.
What?
Just be like,
Probably look fat.
Yep. Had Aiden's birthday party today. Now I'm signing all my baseball players up. Hottest 80 degrees I've ever felt in my life. Oh my goodness. I'm sweating. Probably because I'm fat and out of shape. But it's hot. Look at this. Red. That's when you know white people are hot. They get red. Okay? My skin's supposed to be white, not red.